What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we was at Wolfpack, man. You guys know what time it is, man. It's still sunny out here in Los Angeles, California. I mean, we still got some action, man. It's Sunday Funday out here. You guys know what time it is, man. We gonna go to the other side of town, go link up with some of the guys, man. Go have a ball in a couple hours, man. But first things first, man. We out here with the guys this morning. My guy Built by Dre and Built by Ray, man. Both of the Built Bys, man. They gonna get me right whatever we need to get, and I'm gonna get them right, man. It's gonna go up. You guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate y'all tuning in today. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the More Life giveaway, man, you guys know we're giving away our 2022 Ford F-350 dually truck paired together for first place with our 2020 matching CVO Street Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our 2021 Silverado paired together for second place as well with our 2020 Road Glide Reese's Pieces. Yes, man, the Built 124 that's knocking everybody off from state to state, man. That thing is up for grabs. Not only do we got first and second, we got third place, which is our 2018 Road King, and for the first time ever, man, we got fourth place, which is our 2018 Road Glide with all the Everything Regular oohs and ahs coming, man. You guys know what time it is. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go cop you an Everything Regular supporter patch or a Everything Regular camo hat or a I Ain't Gonna Hold You patch, man. Either one will gain you entry into the giveaway. We are on sale right now, man. $75 only. All you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Go get your entry. Meanwhile,
it's a movie out here. Let's get in the center, man. Oh, man, let's get in the center with it. They out here going. Yeah. We out here going up, man. It's a movie down here, dog. That's bad. Yeah, now that's dope, bro. I'm happy for you, man.
Coming along, bro. I pray I get this
Yes, sir. Gotta love LA, man. Gotta love LA, man. You gotta love it, man. We out here Sunday Funday going up, man. It is a movie down here in Compton, California. Let's see. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Real OG right there. Real OG. Dang, the OGs is out today, man. The OGs is out today, man. Look, she rolling too with the arm out the window. Look, it's a movie out in this joint, dog. I'm telling y'all, we ain't even gotta move too far. We ain't even gotta move too far, man. All the cars coming down the middle. Got them parked up. Let's see what we got, man. We out here going up Compton, California. It is a movie, man. You see what's going on, man. Toucan himself live in the flesh, man. It's a movie. Let's see, they coming through. Look, they coming through on the low, man. What up, man? How you doing? Look, they coming through on the low. Yeah. Man, that saying here's some switches. Look. That's how you pull it up now, man. That's how you pull it up now. Look, man. I see you. Do it bounce or what, man? Hey, man. Watch the Lambo, yeah. Watch the Lambo right there, yeah. Alright, I'm not gonna be here too long. Family, y'all. It's a movie out here today, man. It's a movie out here today, dog. Big black trucks and everything. It's a whole lot of stuff over there, man. I ain't even walk over there yet. I'm telling you. I ain't even walk over there yet. But they pulling through. Let me see that thing, man. That thing, man. Dang, dog. Let's see. Watch the Lambo. Oh, okay, OG. He hitting the ceiling. That head hitting the ceiling, man. Yeah, go ahead and park it behind land. So if somebody hit that, hit you earth. And the O's and the R's. The O's and the R's. Look. That's how she pulling up, though? Dang. I knew you was an OG from afar. You rolling today. I like that. That's nice. Look. She pulling up with the joint. What? They back to back. And them things. And she hitting switches on them. Ooh. And she hitting switches on them. No. What? I see you. Man, I see you in there hitting the ceiling, man. That's how you coming?
Oh, yeah, you know how to do
man,
it.
it's a movie, man. We out here, Compton, California, man, going up. Y'all see what it is, man. I'm telling you, it's a movie down here right now, man. It's a movie down here right now, man. Let's see. He got the black tint. You can't even see in that thing. He got the super black tint. You can't even see in there. I guess we'll walk around these festivities real quick and get a quick lap in, man. Look, she rolling. Damn, that's how she pulling up. Look. Hey, I missed my shot. That was a shot right there.
My nigga Billy
This big ass motherfucker right here. Going up, man. Get out here. What'd you say?
I'm right in the middle. Why? What happened?
both tired them niggas over here. You want to get footage of they shit?
Oh, yeah. Okay, bet. Yeah, I'm fucking see what's good. I'm fucking do a little lap, quick little lap real quick through these festivities, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. LA, Funday in the building, man. We out here going up. Y'all see what it is, man. Y'all see what it is. They pulling up in the old school and all that, man. My God, what it is, man? How you doing?
Right?
Good seeing you, dog.
I'm on the glide today.
Oh, you on the glide today, huh?
The White Road King last time.
I ain't on that king. I'm on that glide today, man. I'm trying to get like you, man.
Hey, you back home though, see?
Yeah, no, for sure. In the home of it.
Hey, just getting started.
Yeah, just getting started. Right on time, too. We ain't late. Usually we be late to this, man. Look. That's how they pulling up, doing 360s in the middle of the street and everything, man. I'll see what it is. Let's walk down yonder real quick. Let's see what we got, y'all. I don't want the camera shaky, man. Let's see what we got. They got them bang. Ooh, we heard a little bit of ooh in the eyes. Feel me? Out here going up. Sunday, Funday, LA. It's a movie out here. It's different right here. It's definitely different. You got them things on the back of there, man. You got them things on the back of there, man. Got them things on the back of there. Look. Where Coke at, man? We got some top 5 in the building, man. We got some top 5 in the activity in the building. So we got wide body action. Wide body action, man. Y'all see what's going on. You should be turning it up. They got the bikes over here going up. They got them out here. I see y'all. They out here today. Back at it. Going up. Day 2, day 3, day 4. I don't know which day it is, man. I know we out here, though. My guys is in the house, man. What it is, man? How you doing? What up, man? Say it again?
When the raffle starts.
Oh, it's already going. It's already going, man. We live right now. As we speaking, man. You see what's going on, man. We on live, too. Y'all see what it is, man. We out here with the Undisputed. We out here with all the guys today, man. Cocky Riders in the house. Just Pounding is in the house. A whole lot of LA stuff is in the house. We got Lolos. Dang, look at this one over here. Da 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 da. You got the OGs hitting a da 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 da. Ew. That's how you feeling? That's how you feeling, man? That's how you feeling, though? Now that's clean. Now that's clean. Look, they pulling in. 442s. Everything. Look. They pulling in, y'all. It's a movie. There ain't too much down there, but more Lolos. But I see what's going on there. We got the old school Lolos. We got the new school Benzes. My guys is out here. 63 S's. On them things. On them things, man. Y'all see what's going on. Let's see what we got in the parking lot. Let's see what we got in the parking lot. Let's see what we got in the parking lot, man. My God, what it is, man. Good seeing you, man. Yeah, that part. That part, man. We out here going up, I'm telling you. It's a whole lot of activity going on, man. It's a whole lot of activity going on, dog. We got Lolos. Most of us ride scrapers. My God, what it is, man. How you doing, bro?
All right.
Nice seeing you, man.
You too, man.
For sure, for sure.
You doing your thing, man.
Hey, man, I appreciate you, man. You already know. Good looking. We out here going up, though. Dang, what you eating? Mango sucker. You got another one? Oh, my God. I'm out of here. I thought we was better than that. I thought we was better than that, man. Let's see what we got up in here, though. We got some whips. Oh, they got the whips. They got some whips. They got some old schools up in that jump, dog.
I finally got the motherfucker tune.
They got the whips. Ooh, look at this thing right here, dog. Now this thing is clean. Damn. Look at that thing bounce off the sunset. Oh my God. Yeah, that thing wet, man. That's real LA right there, dog. That's real LA. You can't get much better than that. That thing cold. Woo. But yeah, man, y'all see it. We got a whole lot of it over there. Oh, we got the MCs. See, I was gonna raise the camera, but the MC brought me out. MC brought me out. Ooh, ain't he nice? Nice interior on him. All cleaned up. On them things. Okay, with the lights under the hood. It's clean, I can dig it. Oh, they got the joints out, man. I'm telling you, there's so much out here going on, dog. All the old school cars, what up, man? They got the joints out. There you go. Damn. I'm telling you, it's real LA out here today. Real LA out here today, man. Palm trees, colorful whips, man. Y'all see what it is. Bel Airs and everything, man. They pulled up real nice and sick. Real nice, sick and swift, man. Low bottoms is in the house, man. Y'all see what it is. They pulled up so sick. The Lolos is in here today, man. It's a Lolo day. It's a Lolo day, man. Lolo day. Let's see. Let's go back to the street, man. See if we can get some real fun activity. Oh, wow. Look at this mural right here. This thing stands out. This thing stands out right here, doesn't it? That thing stands out. I like that purple on the blue. buttons, so that looks that's pretty dope. I like that. That's pretty dope. You don't see too many Camaros that make me say them things is nice, but that one's pretty nice. I like that one. That one is pretty nice. It's a movie out here though, man. Damn. I'm telling you, going yay yay. Going yay yay right now, man. There's so much activity out here. A whole lot of activity. A whole lot of activity. Oh my God. Yeah. Activity. Like in the back seat with it. The little hair twist on him. It's a movie down here though, y'all. Oh damn, they got the Rari out in there, John. Okay. You gonna do on that? You gonna pop a clutch or something? You gonna pop a clutch or something? I thought he was gonna pop a clutch or something, man. Thought he was gonna pop a look. They got the Rari in it, John. He got the Rari in it, John. I'm telling you, they got them things coming down the road, baby boy. He got them things coming down the road. Y'all see me out here Sunday Funday. It's a movie, man. They got the joints on.
What up?
What up, man? How you doing? Good seeing you. Y'all see what it is? Out here going up, rear breathers in the house. Next day here, man, we are not in the Lamb truck. We are in Vegas. I actually took a flight out here last night so we can pick up the rest of our paint set here and get all this stuff out into the paint shop because our Street Glide, our Burgundy Street Glide is done, our Road Glide is done, and all the other bikes are done. We literally just got to get back home now. So with that being said, man, we only have one Road Glide left to paint, and the paint set is right here. I done already loaded up the car on my way down there, man, so I can't wait. It's time to go, yeah. It's time to head back to the city, go pull up on Antonio, pick up one paint set, drop this one off. Now the plan was for both of them to be done by the time we headed back home, but the parts didn't come in until the day after I left Vegas. So we'll be having to either come back out here or have our transporter pick it up with the bike and bring it all to us, man. So we'll see what's good, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's time to go up. It's time to go up, man. I can't wait, dog.